Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and y'all, we have another amazing run glitch deal that I have to tell you all about. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now I know here lately I've had a lot of new DG couponers watching my videos, so welcome to our crazy couponing community here. If you guys ever have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Now also, here are a few quick tips to keep in mind. Digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time because they are simply just that. They are a glitch in the system. So when you are in the store, it is very important to scan each and every item that you want to pick up with your Dollar General app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also, you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. Now, before we get into this new run glitch deal, I do want to go ahead and let you all know that I did upload a video yesterday going over the full Dollar General glitch list, and we have an absolute ton. Now, I believe a few of them did expire yesterday. We also have a few expiring today. So if you missed out on that video, make sure that you go and check it out. I'm going to have it linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, also, y'all make sure that you stay tuned because I will have our regular Sunday new coupons and glitches video coming up for you all next, and I am sure we are going to have even more glitches to talk about. And then also, right after that, I will be uploading the new clearance markdown and penny list video. So for today, I will have a total of 3 new videos out for you all. So again, make sure that y'all stay tuned and turn on those notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get into the new run glitch deal. Now this glitch is on Purina products, and I'm going to be giving you all 2 different ways that you can get in on this glitch. Now, number 1, keep in mind that we rarely get good deals on dog food, so you definitely want to take advantage of this while we have it available. And again, keep in mind that these glitches can end at any time. Dollar General can pull those coupons right off of their app and the website, and there will be nothing that we can do about it. Now, y'all know your girl loves options, so in this video, I'm going to be sharing with y'all 2 different ways that you can get in on this deal. So let's go ahead and take a look at the coupons that you are going to need to have clipped to your account before you go out to Dollar General. So first up, we have this manufacturer coupon. It is save $3.99 when you purchase 1 bag of the Purina 1 dry dog food and 1 bag of the Bacon Strips dog treats. And then we also have a DG store coupon for save $3.99 when you purchase 1 bag of the Purina 1 dry dog food and 1 of the Bacon Strip dog treats. So again, I do believe this was probably a mistake on Dollar General's end. They probably just meant to give us one or the other, not both a manufacturer coupon and a DG store coupon. So again, I'm definitely calling this a run glitch deal, and I don't know about you guys, but it seems in my area, these Dollar Generals have a really hard time keeping pet food in stock just as it is. Alright, now like I said, I'm going to show you all 2 different ways that you can get in on this glitch. So first up, you want to pick up one of the 3-pound bags of the Purina 1 dry dog food. These are priced at $9, and there are different flavors that you can choose from. And then you want to pick up 2 bags of the 3-ounce Purina Bacon Strips dog treats. These are priced at $2.65, and again, there are different flavors. Y'all can mix and match however you would like. As far as I can tell, these glitches are working on all flavors. Now for this glitch, we are going to be using both the manufacturer coupon and the DG store coupon. Now, typically, any other day, I would say that we would only have to pick up 1 bag of each. However, for whatever reason in the system, it is making us pick up one of the Purina 1 dry dog foods and 2 of the bacon strips. That way both coupons are applying. So again, here's a look at the deal. Pick up 2 of the bacon strips. That's going to put you at $5.30, and 1 bag of the Purina 1 dry dog food. Those are normally priced at $9 each. I cannot even believe how expensive this stuff is. But luckily for us, we are not going to be paying that. After both coupons are applied, your subtotal is going to be $6.32 for all 3 products. So you're basically getting a great deal on the dry dog food, and then you're getting the bacon strips for completely free. So again, I think this is a fantastic deal. And again, if your stores are like mine and they have a hard time keeping pet food in stock, you definitely want to get out to Dollar General ASAP and get this before the shelves are cleared. All right, now we're going to go ahead and talk about the second way that y'all can get in on this glitch. But first, I haven't done this in a while, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick reminder to please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and leave a smiley face emoji down in the comment section below. Both of those things really do help my videos perform so much better. You guys hold the power and you don't even realize it. So if you haven't already, please take a second, hit that thumbs up button, and leave a smile down in the comment section below. All right, now let's talk about this second deal. Now, for this second deal, we are only going to be using the $3.99 off 2 manufacturer digital coupon, all right? So we don't even need to worry about the DG store coupon. So for this deal, you want to pick up 2 bags of the 3-ounce Purina Bacon Strips dog treats. Again, they're priced at $2.65 each. So that's going to put you at $5.30. That manufacturer coupon is taking off the full $3.99. So that is going to leave you paying $1.31 for 2 bags. So super low out-of-pocket deal. So if you don't need the dry dog food, maybe you just want to pick up the dog treats today, that is perfectly fine. Either way, both deals are fantastic. So make sure that you guys get out there and get in on this deal before it is gone. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope you guys can get out there and score. And of course, make sure that y'all stay tuned. Turn on those notifications because I have 2 more videos coming at you all today on Sunday. So before you go, make sure you're subscribed, hit that thumbs up button, leave me a smile down in the comment section below, and then take a second and share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.